Tom Design.
Welcome to Tom Design, where design meets lifestyle. Today, we invite you on a creative journey exploring the charm and brilliance of small modern homes. With clever solutions, minimalist touches, and thoughtful design, even the tiniest house can offer grand comfort and style. Stay with us to unlock every secret hidden in compact spaces. In this video, you'll discover that size doesn't define a home's beauty, design does. From space-saving furniture to serene outdoor corners, we'll guide you through ideas that make small living not only possible but delightful. Prepare to be inspired by homes where simplicity meets function in perfect harmony. Open-concept living breaks the boundaries of confined space, blending the living, dining, and kitchen areas into a single harmonious zone. Clean white walls reflect natural light, while warm wooden flooring grounds the space, offering comfort and warmth. The kitchen flows effortlessly into the living area, creating an inviting environment where every family moment feels connected. With large glass windows drawing in daylight, the room feels airy and expansive despite its modest footprint. The careful balance of neutral colors, soft grays, gentle beige, and pale wood, ensures the space never feels overwhelming, but always inviting. This is modern small living at its finest, open, fluid, and full of life. In small homes, every furniture piece serves more than one purpose. A sleek, stylish sofa turns into a cozy bed for guests. A seemingly ordinary coffee table reveals hidden storage within. Foldable dining sets can disappear when not in use, instantly freeing up the room for other activities. Efficiency and elegance coexist effortlessly here. Multifunctional furniture transforms a limited area into a dynamic, adaptable living space. Storage ottomans double as seats or tables, wall-mounted desks unfold when needed, vanish when not. This thoughtful approach allows homeowners to reclaim every square meter, without clutter or sacrifice of beauty. Small homes demand creativity, and they return warmth and freedom. Floor-to-ceiling windows are not merely architectural features, they are bridges connecting interior serenity with exterior beauty. Sunlight pours generously into the room, casting soft shadows across the minimalist decor. The room appears larger, the ceilings higher, the air fresher, thanks to this clever transparency. Outside, a small green garden sways gently in the breeze, while inside, cozy furniture and light wood finishes reflect the tranquility of nature. These windows erase the line between indoors and outdoors, making even the smallest living room feel part of a grander, limitless world. Simplicity, light, and openness, these are the true luxuries. Smart storage is the silent hero of small house design. Built-in cabinets blend perfectly into walls, disguising shelves and drawers that can hold books, linens, or daily essentials. Under staircases, hidden drawers utilize forgotten space, while floating shelves offer elegance without stealing valuable floor area. Everything in its place, and every place designed with intention. Clutter has no home here, instead, beauty meets practicality. The result is a calm, organized environment where surfaces remain clear, and the mind can rest. These storage innovations show that minimalism is not emptiness, but thoughtful simplicity. The color story of a minimalist home whispers peace. White, beige, light gray, these are the shades that open up a room, reflecting light and extending space. The absence of bold hues allows furniture, texture, and natural light to take center stage, crafting an atmosphere of calm and order. In this subtle palette, every small accent gains significance, a pastel cushion here, a soft brown throw blanket there. These gentle touches create warmth without overwhelming. The space feels fresh, clean, yet deeply welcoming, proving that elegance lies in restraint, not excess. greenery brings breath and life into modern interiors. A vertical garden climbs gracefully up the wall, while potted plants soften sharp lines and cool color schemes. Nature's textures blend beautifully with smooth wood and white walls, creating balance, a fresh sanctuary in the middle of urban living. Even in limited space, nature finds a way. Hanging plants, wall-mounted green panels, and trailing vines invite freshness and vitality indoors. This connection to greenery doesn't only soothe the eye, it improves air quality, mood, and well-being. The modern small house thrives in harmony with nature. Sliding doors are elegance and practicality combined. They save precious floor space, glide effortlessly, and open up rooms to new functions. Glass doors let light dance between spaces, wooden panels ensure privacy when needed, all while maintaining a seamless, minimalist appearance. With these doors, spaces are flexible. A living room becomes a bedroom, a kitchen expands into the garden. They are quiet guardians of flow and function, supporting the home's ever-changing needs without cluttering the design. The result is freedom, light, and possibility in every moment. A small patio or balcony can become a private retreat with thoughtful design. A wooden deck, soft cushions, potted herbs, and string lights transform an unused corner into a warm, intimate escape, perfect for sunrise coffees or quiet sunset reflections. Even limited outdoor areas can offer joy and tranquility. Simple rattan chairs, cozy throws, flickering lanterns, they all create a peaceful nook for rest or conversation. The connection between indoors and outdoors grows stronger here, reminding us that comfort is a feeling, not a measurement of space. Technology enhances the modern small home without intruding on its beauty. Touchscreens control lights, climate, and security with ease, seamlessly integrated into minimalist walls. Convenience and control are at your fingertips, simplifying life without complexity. With voice assistants and automation, daily routines become effortless. Morning blinds rise with sunrise, lights dim at dusk, temperatures adjust silently in the background. This is the intelligent future of small living, quiet, thoughtful, and perfectly in tune with human life. A house becomes a home with personal touches. Art pieces on the wall, favorite books on the shelf, a handmade vase on the table, these details tell stories of the people who live here, bringing soul and character to modern simplicity. Minimalist design doesn't erase personality, it frames it. Every photo, every keepsake stands out against the quiet elegance of the space, reminding us that beauty isn't in perfection, but in the imperfect, irreplaceable pieces of life we cherish most. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the beauty of small modern homes. May these ideas inspire you to create your own peaceful, efficient, and elegant living space, where design meets comfort, no matter the size. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Tom Design for more home inspiration every week. Your dream space could be closer than you think, and we're here to help you design it.